I'm going to show you a pie. Let's pretend we're in Florida. Think Miami Vice. Think Jan Hammer, the Ferraris, the beach, the beautiful women. Cream pies really are the best, aren't they? We won't be relying upon our wrist technique to do any beating today. Today is a different type of cream filling. Keylime pie is good. Keylime is sublime. It's as tangy as my sense of humour. The crust is like a golden brown treasure chest, holding the lime-infused jewels within. The filling is like a whispered cool breeze from an old Floridian lime grove, both complex and pure. It's the kind of thing you eat slowly, and then not again for a very long time. Hashtag whale watchers. In this video, I'm making a key lime pie from scratch. So that's the biscuit base, the lime zest, the sweetened condensed milk filling, but instead of whipped cream, I'm going with a fancy pants Italian meringue. Pants are optional, as usual. It's got a delicious creamy lime flavour, a sweet lime flavour. It's a filling to savour. It's not for gluttons. This is the cream pie you'll be telling your grandkids about. Genuinely the food of life. Pop the bickies into a blender and blitz them into Kingdom Come. Like the Germans blitzed London, but we're looking for more uniform granularity this time. My wife loves them. However, if Grandpa doesn't stop talking about the cream pies of his youth, he'll find himself in the assisted care facility right quick in a hurry. You'll need some dough if you want a fancy pie, as usual, but I'd recommend biscuits instead. Digestives or petit bourre work well. Melt your butter in the microwave. Pour your liquid butter into the bowl. Shake it all about. The mixture should come together in your hand.
Ask yourself, is there enough butter in that? Is that holding together? It's not really.
I think it's fine.
You think it's fine? It's not going to go up the edges very much.
It's going to get some of the moisture from the topping, and as you put it in the fridge for a few hours, I think it's gonna seal nicely.
You think so?
Yeah.
It has to get baked first.
Okay.
I don't
Even
think
more so.
There's enough butter. There's not enough butter in that.
I would not put more. Don't forget what the second part of your present is. Let's not make the situation worse than it is.
Like, it's not even barely holding together though, you know? And it's not very, it's thick enough though, but it's just not holding together like.
Okay, I suggest, don't forget, as I said, there will be some fusion between the topping and the base. I have a feeling that it's going to come together at the end. If that's what the recipe is calling for.
Well, the recipe called for a cup of biscuits and I put in 250 grams, so.
Oh, well.
In other words, I didn't measure it, I just put it in a packet of biscuits. Because I don't know what a cup of biscuits is.
That's suspicious. That's weird.
Cup of biscuits.
That's biscuits.
Why didn't you take that mixture, which was the milled pickies, and cup it and understand how much more? I know.
Oh, that would have been a brilliant idea.
Yep. I
So
know I should be
so you know what?
supervising.
Okay. Yeah, let's do it right now. Let's do it right now.
I know I should be
stop-
supervising.
You can stop recording, right? But
Now, grab your favourite bowl, the one you won't admit to using for your haircuts but you definitely do, or your favourite spring-form pan, and press the mixture into the sides, then push the mixture into the base.
I'm just gonna push your lime like that underneath. Jeez, that's hard. Get all your lemon zest together. That needs to be more just doing the whole thing. Just give them the general gist of it. Like, they never fucking follow. They never make anything anyway. They just follow you. They just watch videos.
I hope you make sure you edit that out.
That's enough, isn't it?
There is a lot on the box. Yeah, the tiniest limes known to mankind.
They're fucking tiny. Put another one up. Get it closer to her. Look at cute it is. And then maybe come in over here real close so you can see the juice fall down. Closer you can.
My camera skills leave a lot to be desired.
They love the authentic kitchen. I've never experienced such an almost repulsion to professionalism last night as I used to watch this Russian guy, or maybe Ukrainian, I don't know.
Yeah.
Anton Mala.
Yeah.
All right? What would you like to talk about or ask next?
Yes.
Yeah, well, pour in the juice first, right? Keep it all in one shot, yeah? Ready?
Okay.
Yeah, you don't. I guess you can stop now. Yeah. You don't need to catch the whole thing. Whoops. Maybe getting a little bit closer on the actual food. Yeah. Stick your hand in there. Whisk it for me, so
To make the filling, splooge your milk, juice, zest mixture into the bowl and give it a good whirl. Now dump all your filling into the pie and take a moment to revel in the moment. Combine this delicious little tart with a lung dart and an espresso. Reflect upon your ever-increasing refractory times and embrace your post-cream pie clarity. A treasured 15 minutes.
You want to?
What did the unsocial say?
Here, come. You do. Yeah.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats.
Birthday girl needs something to lick on, right?
Ladies, a cream pie is a thoughtful gift to your husband, stepbrother, boyfriend, or someone else's husband for Valentine's. And gentlemen, don't forget, pearl necklace is a lady's best friend.
I cannot go all the way down, by the way. This goes only so far as the...
Because the base goes all the way to the edge, yeah. Yep. Whoa!
Woo! Yeah!
There is one problem. Now, plate.
Next video, does anyone fancy another cream pie? Comments in the comments, you animals. Anyway, thanks for sticking around. See you next week.
Is that sliding off?
Good night, and may your God go with you.
What are you talking about, Hal?
This conversation can serve no purpose anymore. Goodbye.